Hello students. Today I will read a story for you again and you have to give answer end of the story. And today I won't explain the story in Hindi. You just listen it carefully whatever I am saying. I would try to explain it with my expressions and I just want to answer only in oral audio, your audio homework. I don't want in the written form. So let's start the class. The class is Birbal caught the thief. Okay. Once upon a time, a rich merchant's house was robbed. Robbed it means somebody steals some precious things from his home. The merchant suspected it means doubt. He has doubt that the thief was one of his servant. So he had doubt on his servant. So he went to Birbal and mentioned the incident. Birbal went to his house it means merchant's home, and asked all his servants to assemble and asked who stole the merchant's things. Everybody denied. Birbal thought for a moment and gave a stick of equal length to all the servants of the merchant and said to them that the stick of the real thief will be longer by 2 inches the next day. He asked all the servants to be present there again the next day with their sticks. All servants went to their home and gathered again at the same place the next day. Birbal asked them to show him their sticks. One of the servants had his stick shorter by 2 inches. Birbal said, This is your thief, merchant." Later the merchant asked Birbal, "How did you catch him?" Birbal said, "The thief had already cut his stick short by 2 inches in the night, fearing that his stick will be longer by 2 inches in the morning." So, our story has end now, and now it's a homework time. So, I'm giving you some questions. My first question is, what is the moral of the story? I'm repeating again, what is the moral of the story? My second one question is, how did Birbal catch the thief? How did Birbal catch the thief? Third question is, why did servant cut his stick by 2 inches? My third question is, why did servant cut his stick by 2 inches? I have given you 3 questions. First one is, what is the moral of the story? Second one is, how did Birbal catch the thief? And third one is, why did servant cut his stick by 2 inches? Okay, so as I told you that you have to only just give the audio homework. There is no need to give your written homework. Okay, and try to get opportunity to talk with your friends and relatives so that you can get a good opportunity. And second thing, if you want to improve your English, just try to listen English audios. That's why I'm just sending you this type of homework, so that you could listen and give answers. Okay, so now from today, and I will give you this type of homework for 3 or 4 days. Now after that we will have some test of tenses, and after that I will give you next new classes of active, passive and determiners and at all. Okay, so my next video will be about new vocabs. Okay, I hope you understand the story because it was very short and simple. And give answer with your honesty, and don't copy the answer from the paragraph, because I just want that you are giving your own answers. Okay, try to make your own answer in your own words. Be creative. Okay, and if you have any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. I'm always there for you. And second thing, if you want any tips that you just want to improve your English, you can ask me. Okay. And second, one bonus tip I just want to give you: try to increase your and build up your vocabs day by day. Always try to remember 4 or 5 vocabs daily. And if you want my help, then I would help you to how can you learn. Or if you want any help regarding that, which is the best book to learn good vocabs, then I would give you suggestions or links that from where you can purchase it. Okay. So bye bacho, thank you. And last, if you like my classes, just always try to give me the review, because in the comment section, because everyone love appreciation and admiration. So if you like my videos, so give your wordful comments and reviews. Okay. And when I get appreciated by anyone, then I get energy. Okay. Positive vibes. Thank you. Bye bacho.